cannot heal in the same environment that broke you. Rebuilding yourself is lonely. It requires you to cut off old habits, leave behind comfortable places, and walk away from people who only loved your weak version. Stop begging for acceptance. The fire you are going through right now isn't meant to destroy you. It's meant to burn away everything that held you back. Embrace the silence, honor your journey, and become the storm they never saw coming. Are you ready to rebuild yourself from scratch? Write "rebuild" in the comments and subscribe to join the journey.